Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope all of you are doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the third episode of Ellen's Juneteenth series. Today I'm going to share with all of y'all a rice dish staple in the Gullah Gechee community and the Lowcountry, red rice. And I've done this recipe a few years ago here on my channel, but I decided to redo it and update it. And it is similar to West African Jollof Rice. It's made with tomatoes and vegetables. The only difference is red rice is more on the sweet side and jollof rice is more on the spicy side. And I'll post a link to my West African Jollof Rice recipe down below in the description box. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make, and as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. Everybody's gonna love and enjoy this. Great to serve with chicken or beef, and it will be perfect for Juneteenth. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, old-fashioned lemon tea cakes. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your smoked sausage, your rice, and your tomato paste, sugar, because we're about to cook some Gullah red rice magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our rice. We need 2 cups and I'm using parboiled rice. Alright, that's 1 cup. Now we're going to pour it into my strainer. Now we need 1 more cup. That's our 2 cups. Now we're going to head to the sink and rinse the rice. Very important to get rid of the starch. Alrighty, I am through rinsing my rice. Now we're going to set this aside while we work on our other ingredients. Over here on my cutting board, I have my veggies. I'm using 1 yellow onion, or you can use a white onion, and 1 green bell pepper, and my smoked sausage. I'm using 14 ounces of chicken sausage, or you can use the beef or pork, and it's fully cooked. We're going to slice the sausage in the rounds, and it will give the rice that smoky flavor. Alright, so now we're going to dice our veggies, and I place my sausage to the side. Going to start with the bell pepper. Now the onion. Alrighty, our veggies and sausage are good to go. So now I'm going to set them aside while I get my pot ready. In my large pot, I have my fire over medium-high heat. We're going to add in 1/4 cup of canola oil, or you can use vegetable oil. Going to twirl it around so the oil can coat the pot. And all we do is let it get hot. And as soon as it gets hot, I'll bring you back. Alright my friends, our pot is nice and hot. Now we're going to add in the sausage and the veggies. Going to give it a quick stir. So now we're going to let it saute for about 4 minutes until the onions and bell peppers is soft and translucent. Alright my friends, our veggies is nice and translucent. And it smells amazing up in this kitchen. Now it's time to add in our seasonings and tomato paste. 2 6-ounce cans of original tomato paste. This is going to make the rice super red. Next, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon each of kosher salt, white pepper, or you can use black, onion powder, and garlic powder, and 4 teaspoons of white sugar. It will cut the acidity from the tomato paste. Stir it all together. Now we're going to add and stir in our rinsed rice until it's well incorporated. And we're going to let them cook for about 5 minutes so all the flavors can blend in. All right, my friends, everything's nice and blended in. Look at that beautiful red color. Now it's time to add in our liquid. 2 cups of chicken broth, and I'm using the low sodium chicken broth. Going to give our rice a lot of flavor. And give it a stir. So now we're going to cover the pot. And we're going to place the red rice in the oven. Oven's preheated to 350 degrees. We're going to let it bake for 30 minutes. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I have taken my red rice out of the oven. Let's take a look. Oh, yes, gorgeous. And it smells incredible. So now I'm going to fluff it up. And you see how my grains separated? Perfectly cooked red rice. So now I'm going to cover my pot and return it back to the oven. And the oven is off. We're going to let it finish baking for another 10 minutes. And then I'm going to pour it into my bowl. All right, my friends, I've got all my rice into my bowl. And there's one more thing we got to add to it. A sprinkling of fresh parsley right on top. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Gullah red rice. Doesn't that look good? So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. The rice is tender and the sausage is nice and succulent, bursting with tomato flavor. This Gullah red rice is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Gullah red rice-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, much love, and happy Juneteenth.